Hi, I'm Leisha, the founder of Rosebud. With Rosebud, you can make a game just by describing it. It sounds like magic, but in this 1-hour lesson, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a Mario-style platformer from scratch in under 1 hour. You don't need to download anything, and you don't even need to know how to code. All you need is access to the internet. The Rosebud platform can be accessed at rosebud.ai. Click Create, and you'll be brought to our page featuring quick start templates and games made by other Rosebud creators. It's easy to get started by simply typing into the prompt box. When you begin the lesson, students just need to navigate to the game editing page, where they can begin creating by typing in this box. Rosie, our coding assistant, will then generate code in response. Once the code is done generating, you apply it, and your game changes in real time. Although it's easy to get started using Rosebud, it's unlike any no-code platform you've seen before. It's extremely powerful because AI lets you generate JavaScript code underneath the hood. This means students can use Rosebud to also learn to code in the process. Creators have been making RPGs, adventure games, and 3D games, all experiences you can create by describing what you want, step by step. I hope you enjoy this lesson plan for Hour of Code, and I'm so excited for you to try it. Lesson overview. Let's create a fun Mario-style platformer game with our coding assistant, Rosie. By the end of the guide, you'll be leaping across platforms, stomping out pesky little spiders, and fetching keys to unlock the next level in your own game. You don't need any coding skills to build this game on Rosebud. Instead, you can complete each step in just minutes by sending messages to Rosie. There's even a demo game at each step, so you can check in your progress on Rosebud right away. Here's a quick look at what you'll do by building the game step by step. Each section can be completed in 15 minutes. However, you also can take a longer time per section and let students explore describing variations of this game. So teachers have the flexibility to make this a 1-hour lesson or spread it out over a week. Building the level. First, you set up the game, display the background, spawn platforms, and add a player character. Second section, player movement. You move the player and add gravity and jumping. Third section, gameplay features, add coins, add walking enemies, death, and setting up the scoreboard. The last and final section, finishing the game. Add player animations, winning conditions, switching levels. Now that we've outlined the steps, it's time to dive in and start creating your own game by using our step-by-step lesson plan. Make sure to check out the slides and detailed lesson plan on our site. They can be shared with your students so they can follow along. At Rosebud, we believe creation is the new play. And through creation, we learn the best. Our mission is simple: shift the balance from consumption to creation. With Rosebud, you orchestrate the vision, direct the experience, and shape your world. We aim to give everyone the tools to build entire universes from pure imagination. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy coding!